Good morning, Vikes.
Welcome to our third episode of VTV.
While most of us dread standardized testing, some people excel at taking them.
The John and Abigail Adams Scholarship is awarded to students who scored in the advanced category and plan to attend a Massachusetts state college or university.
There was a breakfast to honor those students this past Tuesday. Here were some of the highlights.
On Tuesday, November 6, more than 50 Triton seniors were honored to receive the John and Abigail Adams Scholarship for their advanced performance on the Massachusetts State MCAS exam.
The Abigail Adams Scholarship is an award given to select Massachusetts high school students, and it gives us free tuition to any state or UMass university.
So to get the Abigail Adams Scholarship, you have to score advanced in at least one section of your 10th grade MCAS, and then you have to get proficient or advanced in the remaining two sections.
Hey Ava, have you ever read one of Sam Bell's books?
Nope, I don't read.
Well, I know based off of your YouTube history that you watch videos, so why don't you watch this video about Sam Bell's double life as a published author?
You may have thought that Sam Bell was one of you, a regular, average high school student, but no, he is an author.
My name is Sam Bell, and I'm an author. I mean, the first one I did a while ago, so I kind of forget my motivation, but it's pretty much just kind of because I wanted to. Well, I started coming up with stories when I was really little, and that eventually just kind of morphed into regular writing. So I have one fantasy series that I'm working on, and then about 2 years ago I wrote a standalone historical fiction novel. And so the historical fiction one, Roof Runner, is about an Irish immigrant during the mid-1800s. The fantasy series Water and Fire is about a war between the water people and the fire people, and it follows one family kind of through their story and how they fit into the war.
While some of us can write our English essays the night before it's due, it takes some authors months to even complete just a few chapters.
I mean, I don't really have like a set time that I write per day. Sometimes I'll write several hours in one day, and sometimes I will do literally nothing for like weeks. There's like no in between.
They say you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but Sam Bell does his own cover art, so how can we judge it? It's perfect.
And so I do all my own cover art, and so even like interior art. Like this one has a map, and this thing too. So I publish them through this thing called CreateSpace, which is partnered with Amazon. So they publish directly to Amazon, so you can find them on Amazon, but you can also find them on other book selling sites like Barnes & Noble or Goodreads, places like that. So I usually start with an outline, like a general summary of what I want to happen, and I usually don't end up sticking to that outline. Like I always come up with different things as I'm writing, but usually then I'll start writing the book and I'll write a first draft, and then I'll go through and make some changes, and then I'll order a proof copy, which is just like, it's just like the physical book, but it's not like fully done yet. And then I'll usually give it to someone. They'll write edits into it, and I take it back, put those edits in, go through it one more time, and then in that final step, I publish it, send it into Amazon, and then they sell it.
Right now, I'm kind of taking a break from Water and Fire, and I'm working on this book called Message, which takes place over basically like text messages in like a chat room sort of website, which is a very different storytelling type that I've been playing with, and I really like it, and it should come out in a couple months.
Support your classmate, a local author, because Amazon is greedy and steals all of Sam's money, and Sam would really like to be able to pay for college.
Sam Bell writes books, deal with it.
Why didn't you get the chocolate?
Because I wanted the strawberry.
But that's racist.
What? Hey Anya, I really like your black pants today.
Oh, thanks. That's literally really racist. So stop.
What do you want for dinner tonight, Mexican or Indian?
Mexican. So racist!
What do you know about David Jackson?
I know that he spends his free time working at Market Basket and playing Call of Duty.
Well, it turns out he is a legendary chef in the Triton community. His talent rivals Gordon Ramsay. Here is Lockdown Dave.
What's up, guys? It's your boy, Lockdown Dave. Today, I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. Let's get it. Alright, so what you're gonna need is you need some bread, you're gonna need some cheese, you need some butter. I don't care what brand you use, you just need that simple stuff. And don't forget a pan. Don't matter what size it is, it's a pan. Use it. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to scoop this thing right off. Come on. Actually, first I'm going to see how it, look at that, burn. I like that. Now we're going to shut this off so that we don't catch another fire. Yeah, don't worry about that. I caught plenty of fires, you know. Put this in a dish. Well, Gordon Ramsay always said, use your knuckle of your thumb. I think that's what he said. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that gooey goodness. Look at this. This is perfection of this action. Look at the gooiness. Look at this. Look, so delicious right now. So delicious. Like you don't even know. I'm gonna take a good bite of. Actually, that's too big of a piece. Come on. Ready? Ready? That's some good stuff. I'm Chef Lockdown Dave. See you in the next one.
Recently, French exchange students roamed the halls of Triton.
They were given the opportunity to experience a little bit of what it's like across a pond.
You do know it's not an actual pond, right?
Here is Alexandra Floodman with some of those highlights.
Le but d'une vie c'est de faire de la monnaie. C'est pas ton équipe et ton racolé. Toutes tes copines ouais on les connaît. À force de zoner ouais on les a rôlées. J'suis abattu je perds le fil. Et t'as pas un euro fais pas de deal. Et t'as pas un kilo fais pas le dealer. J'prends pas ça au sérieux ouais ça fait dealer. La gosse dandine. Elle veut tout volumineux. Pourtant c'est qu'une gamine. Mais comme elle s'ennuie ce monde la fascine. Moi je voulais m'en aller. Et ce depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, de faire le tri. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, ouais, de faire le tri. Bad boy, et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol, et t'es un bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol. À la vie de merde, ouais, t'es abonné. Tu peux pas changer de forfait, ton abandonné. Donc tu mets tes gants, tu mets ton bonnet. Et tu cours, continue de zoner. Donc tu sors, t'es beau, t'es bien accompagné, ouais donc c'est bon. Elle a vu tout ton zéyo. À partir de là, ouais tu te casses les dents. Ouais tu te casses les dents, tu dépasses les bancs. Tout ça parce que la femme est bonne. Mais toi tu l'affectionnes, les consos s'additionnent. À la fin c'est qui paye, bah c'est pas elle qui donne. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, de faire le tri. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide, souvent sourire, ouais, de faire le tri. Bad boy, et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol, et t'es un bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of VTV.
And I really hate this green screen. So I'm gonna go.
See you next time. Good morning, Triton. Good morning, Vikes.
Good morning, Bikes.
Good morning, Vikes.
I'm definitely not doing that. Good morning, VTV.
Good morning, VTV. Good morning, Vikes. We were the first guinea pigs to try out this new weird layout.
Yeah. We hate it. Goat cheese that I got from my goat with my goat milk.
Good morning,
Bikes.
Or did you hit the film button yet?
No.
Okay, good. So why don't you watch this video about Sam Bell's double life as a published author?
Recently, French exchange. I can't say that. Recently, French exchange. Recent.
What?
Recently. I'm sorry. Hold on.
Today.
I want to do that again.
I am done.
I like it.